Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I wanted to tell you guys, when I was not filming videos, I got a little kitten. And yes, in Catsim, your mate, once you find your mate, has to be at least level 10 or more. Oh, and my little kitty's name is Hope. I need to start her killing like at least small, not aggressive animals, because she is on level 0, if you could tell, and I do not want her to get hurt. So yeah, sorry I'm taking so long, so I'm gonna get out of my house. And yes, it might be dangerous because she could get hurt, or I could lose her. But that's not gonna happen, because if you could see, I have this little red jacket because I didn't want, because she's so small, adorable. I do not want her to get lost or not be able to find us. I'm gonna make her try. There's the raccoons. Oh, there's two. She's slow. So, I don't know if it was a mistake of bringing her, but it's okay. Okay, there's two raccoons, if you can tell there, and as you can tell, it might only show one raccoon, but as you can see, that one little gold line, that means there is more than one of this animal, or a different animal. So I'm gonna make her kill them. I'm gonna give it a little bit of hit. Uh-oh, I think my mate and my daughter is stuck, but that's okay. I need them to get food. Oh, what? They don't get, oh. Oh, yay, my mate has leveled up. Where's my kitten? Oh, right there. Okay. No, that's way too dangerous. I'm trying to find food, but most of these animals are not like spiders or anything. That's what makes me the saddest. Wait, are these squirrels? Uh-oh, okay. We're gonna have to go back home because there are dogs and I do not want my kitten to be hurt. So I'm gonna go okay, we're back home. I want to make them stay in my house. It says den for some reason, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you what animals. Oh, an ad. Okay, I am back. I'll show you what animals, if I kill, will give us food. So the spiders will be dead, and you can pick it up with your mouth and let your family members, or maybe even you, if they don't eat all the food, eat. The rat you can pick up in your mouth and let your family members eat. So and same with the squirrel. You can do it with the snake. 2, the dogs are no. I don't know if a fox will. I think a rabbit will. A duck, no. A raccoon, no. A woman or a man, no. I don't know about these two. Pig, no. That I do not know. These, no. The ones with the orange are a complete no. And then these ones are a no. So the ones I go in the skunk is a no. Oh, I think so. It's a no. But I'm positive. But I will end it here. I will make another episode. Don't get mad at me. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment down below what you guys want me to call you guys. What you guys' nickname should be. Well, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.